Welcome guys, this is my entry to Christmas Martini 2021, and before we start, I just want to thank everyone who's contributed so far in this year's challenge. This is the second year, and it's always great to see what everyone comes up with on YouTube and Instagram. For my entry, I'm using a local spirit. This is an Eau de Vie from Ogham Distillery here in Ottawa. An Eau de Vie, literally water of life in French, is an unaged, colorless brandy. This one made from Apple Cider. Yes, absolutely guys, support local whenever you can. We're also using Licor 43 and Peppermint Schnapps for a little hint of holiday flavor. We're calling this one Santa's Orchard. All right, let's get to it. We're going to start with our Eau de Vie or Apple Eau de Vie. You can get Eau de Vie in pear or apple, various brandy flavors, and they're absolutely delicious. Really, if you haven't tried it, definitely give it a try. So 2 ounces of our Apple Eau de Vie. After that, we're going to do half an ounce of Licor 43. This is an herbal vanilla liqueur. It's got nice herbal notes. Obviously, the main flavor is vanilla. So any other vanilla liqueur you might have, go ahead and use that instead. But I really like this one. And after that, we have a 1/4 ounce of Peppermint Schnapps. You could use a Creme de Menthe as well, but make sure it's a clear one. Don't use the green Creme de Menthe. That's going to screw up the color of the drink. I tried to keep this drink fairly clear, so if you use like a green Creme de Menthe, it's going to screw it up. All right, so those liqueurs are providing some sweetness, but I do want a little more, so I'm going to add a 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. This is a holiday drink. I don't want it too dry. After that, we're going to finish it off with about 4 dashes of orange bitters. That orange is really going to complement the apple flavor from the Eau de Vie, so it's going to be really nice. And that's it, guys. We're going to lower some ice into our mixing glass. And we're going to give this bad boy a nice stir. Slow motion. Fast motion. All right, so good 10-20 seconds of stirring till we get a nice good dilution and chill. We're serving, of course, in a martini glass. This is Christmas Martini 2021, so, it's kind of in the rules. And I'm going to rim it with some nice red and green sugar, just for some nice festive color. Obviously, you can skip this step, but, you're making this during the holidays. You got to make it festive, right? So half the glass rimmed with red sugar and half the glass rimmed with green sugar. I was thinking of you could probably do crushed candy cane on the rim, but I did that last year, so I didn't want to do the same thing again. All right, get the julep strainer, and we're going to strain this into the martini glass. I was a little annoyed at how much of a wash line I have here. It didn't reach the top of the glass. These martini glasses are huge. Obviously, if this wasn't for the contest, I would have served it more in like a Nick Nora or something. For garnish, we're going to do an orange peel. We're going to get a nice long orange peel. I'm going to go all the way around the orange. Come on. My peeler is getting, I think, a little dull. All right. Now, I did express some of those oils on there, but we didn't get that on camera. And then I did clean it up with a knife, and what I'm going to do is wrap it around a straw. Trick for making a nice twist. So you wrap it around the straw and then you pull it tight. Not too tight because you don't want to rip it, but you pull it, twist and pull, and then when you remove it from the straw, it'll keep that shape. And then you can drape it over the glass and it looks awesome. And there it is. Santa's Orchard, our Christmas Martini 2021. Let's give it a taste. Oh, I mean, right off the smell, you get the orange, you get the apples, and the taste. It's like biting into a crisp apple, very nice. And then you get a nice vanilla undertone and just a hint of peppermint from the schnapps. That just gives it that nice little Christmas flavor. Very festive. Yeah, this one's a winner. Very nice. Now, because I wasn't happy with that wash line, I did toy with the idea of topping off with some champagne, but I didn't have any. But that could work. I might try that next. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoy that. That is my entry to Christmas Martini 2021. Make sure to click the hashtag. It'll link to all the other Entries this year. There's some really good ones out there. Merry Christmas, guys. Cheers.